Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie Friendcation palette. That was a mouthful. I love this packaging, first of all. It is so pretty. It is just like their old palette that they came out with. So it's just like their old packaging, except this is a little bit darker. But it's pretty much the same thing. And I also got a highlighter. I got the highlighter in Fuego. This is actually a little bit smaller than the palette that they had come out with before. This is what the palette looks like. Wow. I'm really just eyeing this purple color. I think I'm gonna have to use that today. And also this is the highlighter. It doesn't look too like shimmery, and I did swatch it. That's why there's a little finger swatch. I couldn't help myself, but I will swatch everything on camera. And I did do my foundation and my brows off camera just so we can speed up the process a little bit. We're gonna go in with this color right here, and we are just going to put that above the crease just to kind of set the eyelids, not on the lid but just above that crease. Don't tell me. So it's a little darker than my skin tone, and it's a lot more brownish than I thought. Next we are going to take this brown color right here, and we're going to put that in the crease and the outer corner. Whew. She is pigmented. She is definitely pigmented. Wow. I went in with that color. And next I'm actually going to go in with my finger, and I'm going to dip into this purple one. So, like, just, it's nice. It's a nice feeling. Oh my god. That is gorgeous. I didn't use any Fix Plus. I didn't use any water, none of that, and wow. So pigmented. Okay, now since they don't have a black in the palette, I'm gonna use this little single shadow by Jouer. This is in Licorice. And I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner, just pat it in just a little bit. I'm going to go back and get that brown color that we used earlier, and I'm going to put that underneath my lower lash line. Alright, now I'm going to put on this NYX black liner on my waterline. Okay, now I'm going to use this palette. This is the Fuego highlighter. I'm going to put that on my cheekbones. I'm going to put that, you know, everywhere else, and the inner corner and the brow bone. Oh, that's cute. Alright, now I'm gonna go put on some mascara and some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I put on some lashes, and I feel like when I'm looking in the mirror, I kind of look cross-eyed, so I apologize if I look cross-eyed. This eyeshadow, though, oh my god. Like, I don't have a color like this. That's what's so amazing, is that in all of the palettes that I own, I do not have this color. I don't have a lot of the colors that are in this palette, but also before we move on, I wanted to mention that I'm wearing this lip combo. This is the Kylie Liquid Lipstick in Bare, and this is Morphe Lip Gloss in Boho. I love this combination so much. So I wanted to swatch the palette. I don't really feel like I need to swatch the highlighter because you can see it on my face swatched already. And I'm really loving this highlight. It's a very pretty gold. It's definitely very similar to the Becca Cosmetics highlight in Prosecco Pop. You know I already hit pan on this. So I know I'm gonna hit pan on this very, very quickly. Last but not least, before we move on to the swatching and the, you know, review part, I guess, I'm gonna put on this Morphe setting spray. Let's get to swatching. I'm gonna swatch the first 4. That's this one, this one, this one, and this one. I'm gonna see if I can fit the whole top row, but I don't think I'll be able to do that. Okay, so this is the first row swatched. This is the only one that I had to swatch twice. This is like a second layer, but everything else, one swipe. That is just, and this one over here is pretty much my skin tone, but you can barely see it, but oh my god, these colors are beautiful. And the formula is very, very nice. It's really, really smooth. And it's not creamy, like the shimmery colors are not creamy like the Kylie Cosmetics Wet Set highlighters. It's not wet feeling. It is very soft. And that is the first top row, so I was able to fit all of them on the top row. So I'm gonna wash my hand and dry it and then swatch the bottom row. Absolutely stunning. So this is the bottom row swatched. Now I did have to layer these two twice, but they did mention that this is like a topper for the lid on top of an eyeshadow that you already have, so I'm not expecting that to be too pigmented, but it is still very, very pretty. I love this palette so much. I didn't have any problems with it. It is very, very pigmented. It's got colors that not a lot of palettes have in them. It's at, I don't know if it's at a decent price. How much is the Dose of Colors Friendcation palette?
Here's what I found on the web for how much is the Dose of Colors Friendcation the palette.
Bitch, Friendcation? What does that even mean? So the Friendcation palette is $55 USD, and the highlighter is $28. Almost 30 bucks for a highlighter. I don't know. It's vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free. I don't even know what gluten is. I definitely give this, let me fix my earrings real quick. Bitch, I'm falling apart. I love this palette so much, and I really, really think that it is worth it. $55 is a lot of money, but if you spend a lot of money on makeup, then spend your money on this, because, bitch, what? It's gorgeous. It really is. It's, one of a kind, let's just say. And the highlighter, bomb as fuck too. And that is it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this review and this tutorial, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.